Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. And in today's video we are going to discuss some of the current hirings that are going on. So in this video we are basically going to cover 4 hirings. If you have not checked the recent videos on our channel, please go ahead and check, as there is hiring going on in lot of companies and we are regularly uploading videos on our channel. If you have not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and make sure to subscribe the channel so that you don't miss any updates on any recruitment related post. Let's start with today's video now. So Amazon is hiring for the role of technical associate in books. So you can even go ahead and read the job summary or job description here. Basic qualifications that are required are BS in computer science, engineering or a related technical field, 0 to 1 year of overall deployment or technical support experience, experience in coding language, knowledge of Java based technology, ability to write intermediate level database queries or SQL queries. Preferred qualifications that are required for this job are proven ability to build solution from scratch using script, automation, etc. Troubleshoot and identify the root cause of the issues. Ability to effectively capture, store, analyze and present matrix data. Demonstrated skills and passion for operational excellence by using automation and process improvements. Experience in a 24/7 production environment is a plus. So in order to apply for it, you just have to click on apply now and you have to fill your basic details, and whenever you get shortlisted you will get the further email rounds information on your email ID. Moving ahead to the next job description, which is from Qualcomm. Qualcomm is hiring for the post of engineer. Here is the general summary of the job, which is very strong knowledgeable in C or C++, strong analytic and problem solving skills, networking protocols, OSI layer or routing, Linux or OS concepts, experience on OpenWRT, RDKB distros will help. It is not mandatory, but if you have knowledge for it, it is a plus. Minimum qualifications required are bachelor's degree in engineering, information systems, computer science or related field. So if you have done your bachelor's in any of these fields, you are eligible for it and you can go ahead and apply for it. So in order to apply for it, you just have to click on apply button and you fill your some details. Moving ahead to the next opportunity, which is from American Express. So American Express is hiring for the role of engineer 1 and the location is Bengaluru. Let's see the details required. So you can go ahead and check the responsibilities here. So this is basically the job description. Moving ahead, and let's discuss the qualifications required for this job. So 0 to 2 years of software development experience, familiar with agile or other rapid application development methods, hands-on experience with application design, current knowledge of payment industry desirable, manages seamlessly across time zones, culture and band levels, communicate efficiently with technical, operation and business stakeholders, must be willing and able to express new ideas, concerns and opinions directly to a wider team in team meetings, must be proactive, enthusiastic and flexible, result driven, bachelor's degree in computer science, computer engineering or related field required, experience with big data technologies like Hadoop, Hive, Event Engine, etc. Experience with continuous integration and automated test tools, experience working in agile and test-driven development, demonstrating intellectual and analytical skills required. So if you are a fresher, you can even apply for it, and I would suggest you to go ahead and apply for it because this position does not require any much experience. So please go ahead and apply for it. Moving on with our next opportunity, which is from Wipro. So Wipro is hiring for the role of system engineer. So you can see the job description here. You can go ahead and read for it. So let's give it a quick read. Excellent communication skills, ability to empathize, technical knowledge in troubleshooting Windows, Outlook, Teams, Citrix, that is the basic Microsoft tools, answering incoming calls and response to customer emails, manage and resolve customer complaints, identify and escalate issues to the supervisors, provide product and service information to customers, research required information using available resources, research, identify and resolve customer complaints, route calls and tickets to appropriate resources, document all information, recognize documentation, create standard operating procedures for the new issues. So basically your role is very much simple, that is of ticket resolving. If you are getting any issues, you need to troubleshoot it and you need to try to resolve it. If you are not able to resolve it, you need to assign it to your supervisor and you can take help from that person. So in order to apply for it, you just need to click on apply button and you can directly apply for it. So that's all for today's recruitment details. If you are new to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel in order to get regular updates on recruitment related videos, and thanks for watching. If you have not followed us on Instagram yet, please follow, as we regularly post updates on our Instagram channel. You can also ask your doubts in the DM section. Also, if you have not yet subscribed to our Telegram channel, please go ahead and subscribe to it. You will get the links in the description box.